Hello everyone. Now in this lesson we are learning about how we can add effects, stickers and templates. So open your Filmora software. Now here you see guys, I have imported some videos and I can simply drag it into the timeline. Now I want to add effects to this video. So how can I do that? So here you see, here it is the effects. If you click on it, then here you see lots of effects are there. Now here you see plenty of effects are there, you can download it. Now if I go to this video effects, then here you see, here shake effects are there. If I click on this download button, now our video is shaking. So like this many are there. Here glitch are there. So I go back to the recommended, and after that, and here you see, here it is a border effect. Now if I want to give a border, now I can apply this effect. So I can drag it and drop it here. So I just make it as last, and here you see the border is applied to the video. See guys how beautiful it is looking. So like this guys, we can add any kind of effects. So I just delete this, and one more way is guys, if you select this effect, then you can drag it into the video also. Like this you can add the effect. So one more effect I will show you. Now guys, let's add a new effect. Simply click on the download option. Now apply it on here. Now make it as at the end, and let's play the video. Now here you see guys, our video is completely changed because we have applied a new effect. If I pause this video guys, now guys I just hide this track, and here you see before how our video is looking. Now here you see guys, our video is looking, so there is yellow flowers are there. So after applying the effects, how cool the video is looking. Now here you see guys how beautiful it is looking. But now guys, I want to reduce the opacity and I want to change something. So I can double click here on the effect, and here you see, here it is the opacity. So if you reduce the opacity means you can see the difference. Now I just click on it and I can reduce it. So here you see. Can you see the difference guys? Here you see, if I reduce the opacity to the 0 point, nothing will be displayed. If I increase the opacity means, here you see. So guys, from adding the effects, you can make your video amazing. So let's click on the OK button. Before our video is not looking good, but after applying the effects, we have changed our video. So if we play the video means, so how beautiful it is looking, you can see here. Now guys, I have showed you how you can reduce the opacity, and so how you can see the settings. You can double click here. But firstly I have showed you to drag that effect to the video. So to change that effect you have to simply double click here, and after that here you see, here it is the effects option. If you click on it, so from here also you can do it. So if you want to blur it, you can blur this, or if you want to increase the size of the border, then you can do it from here, or if you want to reduce it, you can reduce it from here. And from the start option, which border you want from the starting and which border you want from the end, you can do it from here. Like see, so the border is in the gradient format, so I just reset it. Guys, let's say you don't want the border, then how can you remove it? So from here you can turn off that. So if you click on it, then the border will be removed from here. Now I will switch off this. Now here you see, now the border is removed from the video. Now if you want to add it, then you can simply double click here and you can on this border. Same it is for this effect also, you can switch on and switch off. So guys, these are the effects option. lots of effects are there guys, and this all effects are provided by the Filmora software. So you can explore it guys, one by one you can explore it. So here it is the video effects, shake effects, opening and closing. So many are there. So guys, after that you want a sound effect or background music also, then you can go to this audio option, and after that you can search it here. Like I am searching as glitch. So guys, these are the sound effects. You can simply download it from here and you can add it into the timeline, and you can make your video more creative. So here it is the musics and here it is sound effect. So we are in the effects option, and here you see we have plenty of effects are there. So you can explore one by one. So guys, our next option is stickers. If I click on it, then here you see many stickers are there. If you want to use it, you can simply double click here and you can see the preview. So here you see guys, many stickers are there. You can download it and you can use it into your projects. So if you click on the arrow, means many arrows are there. You can resize this, then you can drag it into the timeline and you can resize this. So this way you can do it. So guys, what this diamond means, you have to purchase this arrow. So now your question is, firstly we have to purchase this software, and after that we have to purchase this also. Whichever the diamond icons are there, that you have to purchase it. So there are lots of stickers are there, you can use it for absolutely free. So here emojis are there. So from here you can explore it guys. Now guys, from these stickers you can add that stickers into the video. You can use these stickers to make your video more creative. So here it is a subscribe sticker. So you can add it and you can resize this. You can resize it from the screen. Now let's play. So you can add the stickers and you can resize it also from here. And guys, the next thing is templates. If you click on it, then here you see many templates are there. So what is the meaning of templates? So guys, templates means it is a bunch of collections that somebody have recorded. So I just drag it. So for example, I just add this template into my timeline. Now here you see guys, a bunch of texts are there, videos are there. So let's play it. So guys, from this you can replace it. So I will go to the media option and after that I can replace it. So if I drag this and I will drop it into the video option, and here you see there are two options. So I just replace it, then that video will be replaced from this video. So guys, what we can understand from this template means, somebody have already designed a template or a video and we can replace our video and we can make our video easily. So guys, you can also use these templates also. Let's go to the templates and here you see many templates are there. So all you need to do is, firstly you have to download it, and guys, after that you can drag it into the timeline. Here it is, predefined templates are there. So somebody have already designed. Only guys, what you need to do is, so you have to add those images or videos. You have to replace all those things, and if you want to edit the text, then you can simply double click here and you can edit that. So guys, from this lesson you have learnt about how we can use effects, stickers and templates. And also you have got to know about how we can use effects to make our video more cool and more amazing. So guys, try to play with the effects, stickers and templates. So guys, after completing every lecture, I will provide always footages, images, what I am using in my projects. So don't forget to download it. So try to do the things which I am explaining in my lessons. Guys, for practice you can use any effects. Hope this lessons feels you very helpful. Now have a brief understanding about how to use effects, stickers and templates. So guys, that's it for this lecture and I will meet you in our next lecture.